Start. There cannot be any dispute that in the absence of any arbitration clause in the agreement, no dispute could be referred for arbitration to an arbitral tribunal. But bearing in mind the very object with which the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996 has been enacted and the provisions thereof contained in Section 16, conferring the power on the arbitral tribunal to rule on its own jurisdiction, including ruling on any objection with respect to existence or validity of the arbitration agreement. We have no doubt in our mind that the civil court cannot have jurisdiction to go into that question. A bare reading of Section 16 makes it explicitly clear that the arbitral tribunal has the power to rule on its own jurisdiction even when any objection with respect to existence or validity of the arbitration agreement is raised, and a conjoint reading of subsections 2, 4 and 6 of Section 16 would make it clear that such a decision would be amenable to be assailed within the ambit of Section 34 of the Act. In this view of the matter, we see no infirmity in the impugned order so as to be interfered with by this court. The petitioner, who is a party to the arbitral proceedings, may raise the question of jurisdiction of the arbitrator as well as the objection on the ground of non-existence of any arbitration agreement in the so-called dispute in question, and on such an objection being raised, the arbitrator would do well in disposing of the same as a preliminary issue, so that it may not be necessary to go into the entire gamut of arbitration proceedings. Aforesaid is the question when arbitral tribunal is constituted at the instance of one of the parties. Another party takes up the position that such proceedings are not valid in law. What would be the position in case a suit is filed by the plaintiff and in the said suit the defendant files an application under Section 8 of the Act questioning the maintainability of the suit on the ground that parties had agreed to settle the disputes through the means of arbitration, having regard to the existence of an arbitration agreement between them. Obviously, in such a case, the court is to pronounce upon arbitrability or non-arbitrability of the disputes. In the instant case, there is no dispute about the arbitration agreement, in as much as there is a specific arbitration clause in the partnership deed.